Hey y'all, Polar Bear here. Recently had a company reach out, PROHEAR. They do hearing protection. They offered to send me a set of their headphone or their earmuff things. So they sent them. We're going to try them out. So let's get these things unboxed and I'll show you what they sent me. Alright y'all, like I said, PROHEAR. That's the company name outside of the box there. And there's all the specs on it. So they are made in China, but I got the black ones. So, and I did already open them up, take a look at them, see if it's something I wanted to do a video on. But they look pretty nice. So they come in a nice little leather bag, protector bag. Come on, get out of here, one-handed. Got the instructions in the box there. I've already looked at those. So, all right, let me, this is going to take two hands. So let me set the camera down and we'll get these out of the bag. All right, y'all, got them out of the bag. Did I say that these things were Bluetooth? Yeah, they got Bluetooth, so you can stream your music, podcast, or maybe your favorite YouTuber, listen to their video and, or watch it on the TV and, have these on, and that way you're not disturbing the wife in the mornings with the loud tractors. Andy. Anyways, so here they are. I got the buttons on the side there for the change the channel and answer the phone and all that. Comes with a couple cords. The white one would be the charging cord. There's a black one in here that's a 1/8" jack, so you can like plug it right into your computer or whatever. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna go out and mow the grass and give these things a try. I'm gonna listen to a podcast. I'll probably listen from the podcast From the Garden to the Track. Very good podcast. You guys ought to check that out too. So, but yeah, we'll get the grass cut and I'll come back and tell you how I like them. All right, y'all. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully I'm not screaming. But yeah, they're comfortable. They're not digging into the side of my head like a lot of them do. And they're really quiet. So I'm going to get to mowing grass. I'm going to try them out. So here we go. All right, y'all. Final thoughts on these headphones, earmuff things. The PROHEAR. They're awesome. I turned them on, turned my Bluetooth on, and instantly connected right up. They showed right up in the list. Click it, went right on. And the best thing about them is I didn't even have the volume halfway, maybe a third of the way up. Usually it's 3/4 or more with my old Bluetooth headphones. These things are awesome. I can't wait to take them to work, my daily job. So when I'm running the impact and air hammers and, beating on stuff and everything, these are going to be awesome. Plus, I can listen to music and other stuff too without disturbing anybody else. But yeah, y'all check it out in my Amazon store. They're not really bad priced. I've had the 3M ones and I've had a couple other brands. I had one pair that was $110. They were Bluetooth and the radio. But these things, awesome. And another thing too is they offer a gel ear thing. Ooh. Huh, I got grass in my hair. Anyways, just prove that I was out mowing with these things. But they offer a gel brand or style. These are comfortable as heck. The gel ones, you probably never even know you had them on. So, and the other thing too is they stay on my head. I got some low hanging branches that I need to trim back that I haven't got trimmed back yet. But these things, nope, didn't. My old ones would rip off my head and everything else. Not these ones. So, anyways, I give it a thumbs up. So like I said, go to the Amazon store, check it out, hit the link, and get yourself a pair. So that's all for now. Catch you all on the next one.